Hi everybody, Alex Employer here from Expert Forex, and in this video we're going to give you instructions on how you can use our copy service to create the possibility of moving $1,000 to $1 million. And what's more, if you don't believe me, do a trial. There is a trial available for this concept. Now, this opportunity has been created by our Link to Success service, where you can link your own private trading account to that of a successful trader. And those traders all trade robots, so the trading is automated. So all you do is you put a robot on your trading account that copies all the trades made by the successful robot trader. Now, what has created this $1,000 to $1 million opportunity are the fantastic returns that we are getting on these linkable accounts. Returns such as 155% a month, 80% a month, 60% a month, 50% a month. Now, those kind of returns have enabled us to create a plan which is already laid out, and we have very clear instructions on how to follow that plan for you to create this opportunity where you can possibly, it's not guaranteed, but it'll give you a very good chance of turning $1,000 into $1 million. So there on your screen, you can see the accounts that have been listed. There are over 50 accounts that are earning over 10% a month. Now, 10% a month doesn't sound like much, but if you compound that over 52 weeks, for instance, it turns into huge numbers. And this is what I explain in this video that I made recently. It says 2 ways of making $1 million from robot trading quickly. And I mentioned quickly because, as I mentioned earlier, 10% compounded over 52 weeks really amounts to a large amount of money. So please go and watch this video. A link to this video will be in the description and the commentary of the video. But it has 2 plans, not only one, 2 plans where you can create the opportunity to take advantage of this fantastic opportunity. Now, one of our clients have actually taken this challenge seriously, and they have started the challenge. And on your screen, you can see a video that was produced by this client, and it is a very special video because it explains the process that you need to do in a lot of detail. So let's have a look at that process. And here's an extract of the contents of that particular video that you saw on the previous slide. And I'm just going to go through the contents. Firstly, you need to make sure that you're ready to challenge yourself to move that amount of money into $1 million. And the client has actually set a target of 2 years for that particular thing, and so there's a discussion on that. Then the first thing you need to do is pick a VPS service, because you are going to be trading these robots for the next 2 years, and you have to be connected to the internet for a long time. So this video shows you how to select the VPS and how to connect to the VPS. And the broker this particular client is using is FBS. It is a cent account. And the beauty of FBS is that they give 100% bonus. So if you're putting in $100, they will push your $100 to $200. So that's a good start for this kind of exercise. Then there's this discussion on the copying service. And the beauty is, as explained in this video, is that the copying service does all the trading for you. You don't have to do a thing. All you have to do is select quality accounts and link to them. Then there's a discussion on how to create FX Blue accounts. Now, the reason why you want to do that is FX Blue summarizes the trading on your account and allows you to even create portfolios, and you can therefore just track your investment using that FX Blue account analysis service. Then the video goes into some MT4 tricks and traps, and also shows you how to create an FX Blue portfolio. So very detailed instructions are being given how you can set yourself up for this particular trading. Then there's some guidance on picking a portfolio of signals to copy. And once you've done that, all you have to do is copy the receiver EA into your account and set it up to copy each of those linked accounts. And that is shown in this video. That's what I like about the video. It's a hands-on. It shows you exactly step by step how you can set yourself up. And as I've mentioned earlier, there's a 14-day trial, so you can actually do this with no major risk, even using demo accounts. And then the last point in the video is how you would then monitor your portfolio on a daily basis or a weekly basis, and so on. So very detailed instructions, step-by-step instructions. I can thoroughly recommend you go through these steps one by one and set yourself up and start trading. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you've learned something about the opportunities created by the leveraged Forex market. Now, what are the actions you need to take from watching this video? Firstly, go and watch that 2 ways of making a million video that I introduced in the beginning. It shows you the 2 ways. You need to decide which way you want to go with that. Then the next step is to start a 14-day trial of the link service, because that will give you access to these fantastic accounts that are doing so well. And then watch the $1,000 to a $1 million video that I've mentioned, that the client has prepared and has also added a detailed procedure on how you can join the challenge. So as I've mentioned earlier, links to all of the items mentioned in this video will be in the description of the video, as well as in the first comment of the video. Sometimes those details hide away, so just open them up to see the full links, and you will have no problem following them. I sincerely hope that you take this opportunity seriously and do the 14-day trial so that you can evaluate the potential of this great opportunity. So from me, Alex Aploy, cheerio.